Good morning, guys. Sorry about the wind noise, but it is, let's go look at the thermometer a minute. It's snowing currently, and we had snow all yesterday. I don't know, you guys probably can't see the tiny snowflakes that are flying around me, but sun's trying to come out. That's awesome. Let's see what the old thermometer says outside. I haven't even looked at it. I know it was bitter cold though. So, I have 3 layers on. 1, 2, 3, and a pair of gloves. I should have a hood on. But it looks like, oh, it's about 12 degrees. Let me look again. Or 11 degrees. So, Polly's calling me. She wants some food, so let's see how things are going. Yep, Bubba's eating the snow. Is that good tasting snow, Bubba? Yeah, oh, you too, huh? Look at you guys. Where's your collar at? It's somewhere outside here. He lost it yesterday in the snowstorm. They take each other's collars off all the time. So, their water thing isn't working. I need to go get them some water. Oh, I had water in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's frozen water in this bottle that I normally put water in. I shouldn't have left any water in there, because that's what I've been filling up their water with. Can't believe this duck is sitting on the ground over here. Okay, my ears are freezing. Yes, I'm whining. We're not used to these temps here in Tennessee. So let's see how the water is inside. Most of the girls are in here. Door's frozen a little bit. Yeah. It's where most everybody's hanging out. We got a lady on the end. That's stuck to the ground. This is why you buy these rubber ones, because you can get the ice out of them. And so I'll put that back inside, and I'll come back with water. Grab some eggs. Hey, Barney. This is our big white rooster. He's pretty young. So let's go get these eggs. Ooh, nice and orange. That's good. Just gonna get the first layer of eggs off of here. There's another layer below. So everybody's laying good for us, so it is definitely a lot warmer in here than outside. You can see that the water still froze. So right there, it's totally frozen. So I'm gonna go get them some water. I'll have to find a bucket to put it in. Okay, so what they're freaking out about is, you don't go in there, because they want some scratch. Again, scratch for your chickens. Which not a lot of people are, but this is a good time of year for them to have it. They need a little extra to produce those eggs. What is this called? Oh, look at that poor duck. I need to get him inside. middle of the floor. That's frozen. You can see that? That's frozen and cracked. Oh, missed the compost bin. Let me see if I can get this duck. Of course, he won't come to me. So here's our pond that we have for our ducks, and they've been walking on top of it. Oh. Okay, that is solid. That's about, well, you can see how deep that is. There's no way I'm going to be able to get any water in there. Poor baby. The duck pond, I'll see if I can break it. There we go. Oh, you found the frozen egg. Lovely. Did you think I was throwing it for you? Huh? Did you think I was throwing that for you? Come on, let's go get some water. We have never had it this cold. Norman's got his jacket on. Let's see. There, come on, Norm. I know you want to go inside. You're too close to this frozen precip. Oh, he's limping. Norm's got a bad back, and sometimes this is what happens, is it makes him limp. So, poor guy. He's getting older. He's 10 years old. So this means I better get him water tonight. All the eggs that I brought in are frozen. So all the eggs that are in the chicken shed are frozen. So I'll have to bring those in. So, or just throw them in the compost, really. The sun is coming out. Maybe that will warm that duck up a little bit. Duck in here. Where is she? Let's see if I can do this. Well, I can catch her. At least that warmed her up a little bit, chasing her around. I don't know why some of the chickens aren't letting the other chickens inside. It really makes me mad when they do stuff like that. Just gonna throw all these eggs in my compost. Oh, one cracked in my pocket, lovely. So they're not 100% frozen. Well, it's a good thing I can do laundry. The duck eggs don't crack, which is nice, but the chicken eggs definitely do. And I have really strong shells on my eggs, so Oh man, that sun feels glorious. This is what the garden looks like. Beautifully all covered in snow. So it's kind of an insulating barrier. Poor chicken's all puffed up outside. So, excuse me, ladies. Can I dig for all the eggs under here? You guys are trying to keep them warm. I appreciate that. What happened to them all? Did I get them all? Oh, you're right on top of them. No? Come on. Okay, there you go. There you go. Do your thing. Locking the door, it's so weird. Chickens can be mean animals. The ducks are talking to each other. Okay, one more for the compost. Then we're gonna seal this up. Oh. Burr, folks, burr. Polly, our turkey, was in the wild, which she is a heritage breed, but she's as close as to the wild turkeys as you can get as far as heritage breed. I forget what breed it is. But what you would have is you'll find the turkeys this time of year when it's this frozen. They will climb up into the trees or fly up into the trees because they can fly. And they'll probably be in the evergreens around here. And they could stay there for quite a few days without any eat and drink. And so like 7 days without water. And I think it's like 14 days without any food. So yeah, that's what they do. So let's get inside.
I got a new massaging device on my back.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
It's a wiener.
Oh, Nora, man. Were you that cold outside?
He's on the heating pad.
It's 12 degrees outside, and he's got his coat on.
Actually, he's behind the heating pad.
He's behind the heating pad. And
So he's still getting...
He was outside for maybe 5 minutes to go potty?
Longer than that while you were out there.
Okay. Poor dog.
I can't sit back, though.
No. He is not going to budge. Oh, poor baby. He's like not going to budge, honey.
What you doing, Norm?
Poor guy. That's what happens when you're only, what, 2 inches tall? 4 inches tall?
Yeah.
Your body's like right in the snow. Oh, baby. I'm sorry, Normster. I'm sorry, Normster. Yeah. Thank you for coming on our frozen, freezing day and seeing how our chickens are faring in this weather. God bless you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Come on.